Life insurance is often seen as a way to protect your loved ones after you're gone. But did you know it can also help you while you're still alive? That's where living benefits come in. Living benefits are additional features or riders that can be added to your life insurance policy. They provide financial support during critical times when you're facing serious health or life challenges. Let's break down a few of the most common types. First, terminal illness benefits. If you're diagnosed with a terminal illness and given a limited time to live, this benefit allows you to access a portion of your policy's death benefit while you're still alive. This money can help cover expensive treatments that aren't included in traditional health insurance or improve your quality of life during this difficult time. In some cases, it has even allowed people to afford life-extending treatments that otherwise wouldn't have been possible. Next, chronic illness benefits. These provide support if you're unable to perform certain activities of daily living, like bathing, dressing, or eating, due to a chronic condition or disability. It can cover care costs, whether that's hiring a caregiver, modifying your home for accessibility, or even offsetting the cost of a long-term care facility. Then there's accidental death coverage. If an accident results in your untimely passing, this rider provides additional financial support to your loved ones. It ensures they receive an enhanced payout, helping to cover unexpected expenses and maintain financial stability during a challenging time. Living benefits also address the significant financial strain caused by the loss of income during a serious illness or disability. Imagine being unable to work, but still having to pay your mortgage, medical bills, and everyday expenses. Living benefits give you a safety net so you can focus on recovery instead of finances. In short, living benefits turn your life insurance policy into more than just a death benefit. They make it a tool for financial security when life throws its hardest challenges your way. If you would like to learn how living benefits could work for you, let's connect and explore your options.